With Elementor you can easily export your templates as an external file and upload it to another website. In this short tutorial I will show you exactly how it works. For example, if you have used my referral links and you want to upload the free bonus templates to your website, you can follow the steps explained in this tutorial. As I mentioned in the previous tutorials, you can make a template for a complete page by clicking on the arrow next to the green button and then select the Save as Template option. If you want, you can also create a template of a specific section on the page, and you can do so by right-clicking on a section and then select the Save as Template option. After the template is saved, you can click on the folder icon and you will find the template in the My Template section. So let's say you want to use this section for another website, then you can export it as an external file. To do this you need to go over to the template and then select the Export option. The template now will be downloaded to your computer, and now I want to show you how you can import this file to another website. All you need to do is open the Elementor editor for the site part that you want to design on another domain. For example, this could be a post or a page, and after the editor is loaded you can click on the folder icon. Now click on the import icon and now you can drag the file as you have downloaded it onto the page, so you don't have to extract the file first. And for this example I used a free bonus template that you can get for free if you have used my referral links to purchase web hosting and Elementor. Now you will see the template has been added to the overview in the My Templates tab. If you want to add it to the Elementor canvas, you just have to click on Insert and that's it. Now the template has been added and you can customize the sections, columns and widgets if you want to do that. So that was it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again in the next video.